Now it's our next topic is comparing. Do you know the person in the slide? One of the finest anchors in Bollywood, isn't it? Yes or no? Have you listened to him ever? So mind well, comparing, COMPERING, comparing means anchoring, hosting a program. It is different from comparing. So I have written the spelling comparing. Comparing means the comparison between two things, more than two things. You are comparing the similarities and dissimilarities. That is comparing. It is different spelling, different meaning. So, okay, comparing is the anchoring, hosting of a program. It is like an announcer of a program. So, a comparer is a mediator between the audience and the actual performance. He is the announcer, he is the actual coordinator of the event. Event is organized by somebody, but the actual coordinator will be the host, the anchor. It will depend on him. So, comparing is an art and it is a skill as well. It is like painting and singing. Not everybody has the ability to anchoring, isn't it? So, in English, how to compare, how to host an event, how to anchor. This is so easy topic. So, we shall discuss about that.
Now, okay.
where where comparing is done generally, we very well know, in seminars, in conferences, in annual functions, annual gatherings of any type of programs, maybe political, maybe social, maybe religious programs, any of the celebrations, any of the parties, welcome parties, farewell parties, weddings, all the award functions, and most of the TV programs, actually reality programs, there is always comparing and anchoring is going on. So this is where it is. I think comparing has become a career nowadays. It has become a career. Many of the schools in their annual functions invite good anchors and they pay for that. So some of the cookery shows, yes, reality shows, Big Boss, some of the travel shows, many of the interviews, reality shows, I told you, in a cricket match or any match, there is a host. For example, in wrestling, WWE, WWF, there is a host who is anchoring interviews, I told you. So there is the comparer, role of comparer. First and foremost role of comparer is to be lively with the audience, to idea about the program ahead, what is going to be there. He creates the curiosity. So his role is to warm up the audience. Second is to glorify the performance of all the performance. He is always praising the performance of the people. He is motivating them. He is giving positive feedback, positive comments. He is appreciating what is being performed on the stage. Anchor should never criticize what is being performed on the stage. This is the biggest mistake. He should glorify. Third is he will always ensure enthusiasm, curiosity among the audience. He will always try to have active response of the audience. He will tell that let's have big hand, means let's clap, let's have big hand. He will always ask questions to audience, yes or no. He will also sing a song and will ask the audience to follow his song. He will anyhow try to involve the audience in the program. So that is, he will ensure that viewers are enthusiastic to know. There are techniques, we very well know, to make sure that there are smooth transition between different segments of the program, because any function or any event has its different segments. the speech of the main guest, the actual performances, the welcoming section, the ending section, that is of Thanksgiving section. So there are different sections of any event. He should be careful that each and every event transits from one to the another easily. You should not forget that which is the next event and what was the previous event. Smooth transition should be there. Smooth movement of the program. It is his responsibility, the anchor. Who can be a good anchor? What is the quality? If you want to be a good anchor, first thing, you should be fluent in your language. It is like RJ, radio jockey. Most of the radio jockey can easily be a good anchor. Thoughts should come quickly, and you should be easily express your thoughts. You should have very much control over the language. You should be confident. Second is, you should know basic understanding of the nature and tone of the event, because different types of events are there. I told you, I gave you 10 to more than 10 examples that how many types of events are there. So he must know the tone of the event, the culture of the event, the aura of the event, and he should anchor like that. In our function, anchoring is different. Reality shows, anchoring is different. In cultural fiesta, anchoring is formal. So it is different. A simple anchoring should be there, but a dignified style should be there. A good amount of good words should be there. Dignified words that should straight away go to the heart of the audience. He should have the ability to work with the technicians, because event organizers always have their technicians. So he should coordinate with them perfectly. He should be able to coordinate with event organizers, the guests, the speakers, the performers. It is part of his duty as a profession. These are the qualities of a good conqueror. What are the tips that I can give you? You should practice in front of mirror. You should prepare the speech for comparing. It is also anchoring speech. It is called anchoring script. There is a script always. Be well prepared. Use words perfectly. You can innovate. You can have spontaneous expressions on the stage. You should always develop a script. Never copy paste anybody else's script. I will give you some examples of ideal script. They are available on the net. Your dressing should be perfect. You should never mug up the script. And you should never forget that you are not the star. Performers are different. So you should not always talk about you. Some of the anchors always praise themselves. You are not actually the center of attraction. You are just the anchor. You should breathe steadily and deeply so that you pronounce words perfectly. That is also related to the speech. Address the audience with a smile. Always smile if you are an anchor, with expressions, voice modulations up and down. Always eye contact with the audience. Bring pace to your delivery. Otherwise, if you are too much slow or if you are too fast, it will be a problem for the audience. Always follow timing. What happens? Many of the anchors talk too much and there is no time left for the actual performance. Anchors consume so much time that actual event goes down. If there is any mistake, you should apologize. Keep the audience engaged. Many of the Bollywood award functions, they use fillers. Fillers means some performance between two events. It can be a mimicry, it can be a riddle, it can be anecdote, it can be fun facts. jokes, song singing, any small performance, anything, you do something, they are called fillers. It will engage the audience in the program. We have many functions like that. You can see on the YouTube. So how to write anchoring script? Obviously, there are no fixed format because different events require different type of script. But basically, there are two types of script: the formal script and the informal script. If there are formal events, official events, school events, there should be formal script. But if there are informal events, family events, friends events, so you can use informal script. Annual functions, as I told you, cultural fest, farewell party, these are generally formal anchoring. Means you should follow the protocol. And there is pre-decided script. But in informal events, some religious celebrations, Christmas, wedding, birthday party, anchoring can be friendly. It can be informal. What is the ideal format? For example, most of the functions, these are the some of the points. There will always be there. First is introduction about the program. Today we have met for this function, this program, this show. Welcome to the show. If there is a reality show, he will welcome to the show. He will say something about. If there is a Kaun Banega Crorepati, he is anchoring the show. Amitabh Bachchan. He will first introduce about the show, the rules. Then he will welcome the guests if there are any. Welcome the participants. That is the second part. Third is we are felicitating the guest. We are welcoming as well as felicitating them with anything. Then in the Indian culture, there will be lighting of the lamp. There can be welcome song. Then will be main events, main performances. And at last, always there will be vote of thanks. This is always the ideal format for a anchoring script. Okay.